It's my Bday, and I'm going to do an unboxing video. Go! I'm gonna let's go. These are my birthday presents. Okay, this is my first present. Okay. This is my first present, and I'm gonna take it off. Okay, this is my first birthday present, and let's take it off. Okay, I got my next present, and okay, so I got this green screen. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, this is my next present, and let's do this. Okay, so I got this bottle launcher, and for all the mess ups. It's because I just suck. Okay, let's see how the green screen turned out. I'm somewhere in the darkness, in the black. Sorry about that. It's just background noises and stuff.